Hi guys, it's Dr. Eyeball here. I got a new product today. This is the, as you can see, the new Apple, the Mac keyboard Wi-Fi, I think it's called. So let's open it up, take a look. It comes in this sturdy looking box. Alright, you can see there's not a whole lot of packaging. It's not like the iPhone. It's just kind of thrown in a box, so let's take it out. There we go. Anyways, here's the keyboard. Not a whole lot to it. Kind of expecting a little more, but I guess that's what Apple sells these days. And it has this, what does it say? Apple Wi-Fi board. In case you need an instruction manual, but I think it's pretty evident what this does. So let's take it out of the package here. There we go. Alright. They really wrap this up pretty tight. Yeah, so there you have it. Has this glossy shine on the backing here. The keys are ivory white, just like the rear, and then it has this kind of rubberized texture to keep it from collecting dust, I guess. Anyways, don't know what to do here. Oh, okay. There's a button on the side, and then you get this little light. It starts blinking. So don't know what it's doing, but I got my Mac right in front of me and I got my external over there, so hopefully something happens. Nothing. Okay. Let me just go into my system properties and see if we can get it to connect. I don't know if it's supposed to be Wi-Fi, right? So I don't need any cables. Hope not, because it didn't come with any. Okay, in my Bluetooth setup, it shows the Mac keyboard here, and hopefully it's going to connect them up right now. It says updating one device found. Let's see if we can make the magic happen. Here it goes, here it goes. Alright, come on. It's kind of taking a while now. I'm getting kind of restless, so. Oh, and it gives me some weird numbers. It looks like it's around 15 digits. Nah, I probably don't have to enter that in. No, we do have to enter it in. Alright, so my number is 65. Here we go. Enter. Now let's see what happens. So I just entered in the pass key, and now hopefully it's going to sync them up. And here we go, conclusion. Congratulations, your computer is now set up to use this Mac keyboard. Enter to quit. Alright, so now, let's see if I can type here. Yes, it works just fine. Now I'm going to do a little short test here. It will dim the monitor, as you can see, and this is an advantage of having an Apple keyboard and not, you know, a keyboard made by Dell or HP, which probably wouldn't have that feature. And yes, my dashboard and spaces and all that works. And will it play a tune for me? No, looks like my iTunes isn't working. Oh, Eurodance tunes, sweet. Bom, bom, bom. Works just fine. So there you have it, the Mac Wi-Fi keyboard by Apple Computers. Works right out of the box. It only took me about 10 minutes to connect. It's a very simple keyboard. There's not a whole lot to it. It looks pretty sturdy. I don't know, there's a little gap here, so maybe it could get bent if you're real heavy on it. It's quite expensive. I think it's about $80 or something. You really want to think about it if you're going to buy it. If you have an Apple, then you're probably more inclined to buy an Apple product, but if you have a computer, an Asus or something, then I'd go for something cheaper by Microsoft. So there you have it. What am I going to give it? A lot of people were kind of frustrated by my scores out of 10, so I'll give it a probably, I'll give it a C+. I think it's a regular Apple product, something very ordinary, and yeah, I think that's a fair assessment. A C+ or a 7 out of 12. Apple Mac keyboard works as advertised. This in-depth review is brought to you by Eyeball.com. I'm Dr. Eyeball, Chief Technologist at Eyeball.com. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this will help educate you on your future purchases for computer peripherals. Eyeball.com.